In this video, I'm going to show you some of the quadratic factorization. It seems to be one of those harder quadratic expressions, like, say, I'll take this example from page 43, 4x squared plus 32x plus 48. Apparently it seems quite difficult, but the thing is that these are medium difficulty. That's how probably we will easily identify this kind of expressions. You do not have to go through that process, most likely. If you want to, you can use the cross method. I call it cross method, but you don't have to. Well, over here there is a common factor. If you carefully look at it, the common factor is, see, 4 goes into 32 8 times, and 4 goes into 48 12 times. So 4 is a common factor, and the remaining factor is still a quadratic, x squared. We said 4 times 8 gives you 8x plus 12. See that? Now it's quite straightforward quadratic. The number in front of x squared is 1, so possibly it's going to be much simpler to work it out. So if I go for 3 times 4, I can see 3 plus 4 is not going to give you 8. 6 times 2 will give you 8. 6 plus 2 gives you 8. So instead of going for the trial and error, you can simply go for that combination 6 and 2. So 4 remains as is, and there will be 2 brackets, and it's going to be x plus 6 and x plus 2. From now on, I'm going to call them of medium difficulty. These are not the hardest possible quadratics, although there are numbers in front of x squared. Since there is a common factor to all 3 terms, this is the reason actually we can simplify it, we can make it simpler, and then do the factorization as if it's a simple quadratic factorization. You probably want to try several questions from page 43, and that will give you confidence. I'll stop there. I'm going to upload the video now to YouTube, and we will look into this sort of problem tomorrow. So there are 3 categories of quadratics. One is a very simple one is of medium difficulty, and one is the hardest possible factorization. Quadratic factorization is one of the very important area of algebra. If you can do this, you should be able to simplify or problem solve so many other things. Our target is to do more word problems and problem solving. Why? Because most of our NCA questions will be word problems, problem solving. And thank you very much for listening and watching my video.